In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix secure boot on Valorant for ASUS motherboards. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So what you want to do is go over to the bottom left where it has your Windows icon, right click on it, and then just go over to your settings, like so. It's going to open up like this, then go to System, then just go ahead and scroll all the way down. You're going to see Recovery as one of the options. So click on that right there. And what you want to do is, it's going to say reset this PC or anything like that. But what you want to do is go ahead and find advanced startup like so, and then just press restart now. It's going to say, well, restart your device, so save your work, and then just save anything that you might need to. And then just go ahead and press restart now like so, and then just restart anyway, and then just wait for it to restart. Then once you have it, it's going to look something like this, and all you want to do is go to troubleshoot like so, and then go to advanced options. You're going to see a lot of different things, but you want to go to UEFI firmware settings where it says you can change the settings right there. So go ahead and click on that. It's going to say restart to change UEFI firmware settings. So you're just going to go ahead and restart your PC again. Once you go ahead and do that and wait like 20 seconds or so, you're going to be in your system BIOS. Now it might look different for you depending on your motherboard, but all I want to do is go over to the boot tab. I'm going to see secure boot as one of the options. So literally all you got to do is just go ahead and click on that right there. Once I click on secure boot, all I want to do is it's going to show my OS type and everything. And I just want to basically go ahead and enable it. So where it says secure boot mode, you can customize it as well. As you can see, mine's enabled. And then all you got to do once it is enabled and everything is literally just go ahead and exit out. So if you don't know how to exit out, all you got to go ahead and do is just leave by pressing F7, and then you'll be back on your PC. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.